Aloha guys, and welcome back to the Chad Show. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I just picked up a box in the car that is quite heavy. I'm not sure what it is. I know what I ordered, and I will share that with you right after this and do a review on this particular item. So I will get back with you right after this. Aloha. So just like what I was talking about in the car, I want to share with you guys exactly what I got in the mail today. And as you can see, I did a review on this. It's like an air pure. It's not an air purifier, but it's like a fan, and you can put water on the bottom here, and it will humidify your room. But what I got today is an air purifier. And this area here in Hawaii is very dusty, and I'm not sure if you can see, but I didn't sweep it though, but you can see how dusty it is. I don't know if you can see this. It's very dusty here, and what I wanted to do is to prevent dust from flying around in the room. So I got this one product, and you've probably seen other online reviews, but today I wanted to share with you guys this product. It's called the AirMax. Okay, it's called the AirMax 10L Pro. It's an air purifier. Okay, we're gonna open it up right now. There you go. So yeah, this is it's called a new air breathe revolution from OKaySou. OKaySou. The product name right there. And it actually came from, it's made in China, of course. And it has some really cool effects here, and I wanted to share that with you. Let's go turn it to the front here. As you can see, you probably see other people share this. You can see the blue with the tie. It says, OKaySou, grab your big smile, AirMax 10L Pro. And you'll see the front here, the 3 indications, and I'll read it to you what they are. So if it's blue, that means you have excellent air quality. If it's yellow, you have moderate air quality. And red means you have unhealthy air quality. And I'm guessing mine might be yellow. We'll see when we put it together, yeah? So I'm going to open up the box, and you're going to actually see on the next segment, it will be open already. But I'm not going to let you guys watch me open it, okay? Here we go. Hi guys. So this is my smile. Yeah, I'm just kidding. So this is what, after you take it out of the box, you're going to get the styrofoam on the top, and probably this manual that you would have to read about. I can open up the manual before I open this up. So let's do that right. So they give you a 5-year warranty you can sign up for. And this is the book that you can read. It is AirMax 10L Pro Air Purifier. We put water inside to keep your room cool. So it's like an air cooler. So I had done that. I'll leave a link of it up here to share with you what the review was, and I still like it. The only issue I had with this, if you can see, I'll bring it closer. So as you can see, I had to put chopsticks and glue to keep this opening, because these, when it came to me, was broken, and I had added that in the video there. So yeah, so that's what this one is, yeah. And I keep stuff in here. You don't want to see what's inside here, but you can actually put ice up there. Anyway, we're gonna open this up and look inside, okay? All right, once you open it up, what you'll see is this. When it's in the bag, it was kind of heavy, but I'm gonna say it was, what does the box say? How heavy was this? So this is about 11 pounds. Yeah, this is pretty good. Other reviews probably showed you this. Sorry. So you can see that. And I'll read to you what's on top. This is a timer. You can make it whatever time you want. It has a 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 8 hours. This is the child lock. Oh, I don't have any problem with that. This is the power button, the middle. This is filter reset. Once you change the filter, you can reset it. And then we got the speed mode at the end. So you got 1, 2, and 3. So I'm guessing from other reviewers, they were saying that the 3 is very loud. So that's when you want to clean the air all together. And then you put it on 1. Excuse me for the chicken. Put it on 1, and it will be able to be quiet and work in the background. And I'll test it out to see how it is. Yeah. Basically, right here. See right here? Thumb. And see right here? Thumb. And what you'll do is you'll grab it and you'll push it. There. And it'll open up this part. Okay? You take off the hinge. And it comes off like this. I'll put it next to the bike. And you have a bunch of filters. And the inside looks like this. It's a fan. And this middle part is where the sensor is. And I'll tell you what color your air is. Okay? Let me open that up and we'll put it right in here. Okay, so I got the filters already open on the bed here. And I'm going to put them in the correct order. So the first one we're putting in is called the charcoal filter, and it has little charcoal beads inside. You can hear that. And we're going to put that right here. Leave the tabs on so you can take them out. The next one is called the Hepa Filter. It's this blue one, kind of whitish on the other side, but it's blue. We're going to put that one inside next to the charcoal filter. Okay. Well, okay, you gotta press it in, yeah. Make sure you press it in well. And the third one is a double filter. So there's the one to clean the air. It's white on one side, black, and this filter, from what I've seen, you could take this off. It's velcroed, yeah, there you go. It's actually velcroed on. You can take it off the velcro. You can do this correctly without breaking it. There we go. You can see that? It comes off the velcro, and you can put it back on here. I have to put it on well so it does the job well. Okay. And that's this one. And put down over. You press it in very well. It fits in pretty snug. And then we will put it back on. When you put it back on, make sure you get 2 latches at the bottom there. Put it right into the hole. And you close it up. Alright. So we will give you exactly what color my room is. How clean my air is. So I'm going to plug this in live so you guys can see I'm plugging it in. Okay, and you've heard that. This is my first time using this, so making sure everything is good. Okay. Okay. And as you can see on the sides, there's holes. This is where the filtration is coming into. That's where the air comes in. And in the back, that's where the air comes out. And I am assuming that's true. Okay, here we're going to do, we're going to press this, the power button. It is on number 1 right now. And I can hardly hear anything. And as you can see, it is blue. There's a little bit of a manufacturer's smell coming out of this. Not too bad. I can handle that, but it's still blue. S3 is how much? Let's see. Okay, so this one button here, and I'll show you this. That one right here, you can take it to number 1, number 2, number 3. It's on auto now, number 1. It's on eco, and this is turbo. And what I'll do is clean your room. Right now, it's still blue. You can also put a timer on here. 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours. I took it off. I'll put it back on number 1. So, as you can see, my room is pretty clean. There is dust, but it's doing a good job. Okay, so that is my review of the OKaySou AirMax 10L Pro Air Filter, Air Purifier. And there's a lot of things that it can do. So it says, it says it has a child lock. There's 5 stages of filtration system. There is also an air quality indicator, which is the one right here. You can put it on eco, in eco mode, and the filters are washable. The one pre-wash filter, which is the black one, I can wash that. Okay, that is my review of the AirMax 10L Pro Air Purifier. Okay, if you want to get it, I'll leave a link at the bottom, and or similar ones like it, and you guys can do a review of your own. So thanks again for stopping by, Chacho. Talk to you guys on the next video. Aloha.